Model, 2017 Citroen Relay 35 L3H2 BlueHDi 130 6-speed Enterprise. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 119922. MOT, the 27th of February 2025. Engine, 1997 ccdw10 FUDA. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, none runner, bottom end bearings are squealing, knocking whilst cranking. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, part service history, air con, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.